Oh, I think I got a muskie.
Oh my gosh. This thing is a behemoth, dude.
Alright, well today we are up in Canada after walleye, smallmouth, and whatever else could bite. All we're going to be looking for, we're going to be going around the lake, graphing a lot of new water, searching for rocks. So right here it's pretty sandy, but you can see there's a rock here. Basically looking 5-10 feet of water. Water temp is 53. We're going to be throwing around lipless crankbait, maybe a jerk bait, maybe a drop shot, you know, jig in the minnow. All sorts of different lures to try to get them to bite. We're hoping that we can put something together. Stay tuned for the video and hopefully it's a good one. Got one?
First cast? No way. Sweet. Just a little. How did you expect to even eat that bait? Really? It's about to get stupid. Spotlight. There we go. Sweet.
There we go. A little double up right there. Throw back and let's get some more.
There we go. Worked up again. It feels a little heavier. Good one.
Good one?
Yep.
No.
Look at him just go. Come here. Oh, don't get hooks in me. Please, stop. Second one of the day. They're gonna get bigger, I promise. There we go. Hooked up again. Oh, what do we got here? It is a walleye. Dude, he's actually fighting. That's crazy.
Come here, buddy.
Oh, yeah. That looks like a good keeper. There we go. That is the first walleye of the morning. Using a little lipless crankbait. I don't know, it's got blue on top, white, orange, green, just a bunch of pretty colors. They seem to like this color, and then Danny's using like a red crayfish type looking color, so that's what seems to be the go-to. But yeah, just a lipless crankbait, fishing 5 to 10 feet of water. One more look at this thing, and then he is going in the live well. Thank you, buddy.
Walleye. Nice little walleye right there.
Oh, there's a good one.
Alright. A nice fish right there. We are keeping today. He is about the perfect eater. We're going to throw him in the live well. Yeah. Look at the boat, dude.
Holy cow, this guy is freaking fired up. Sorry, I fooled you. Just a little baby smallie. See ya. Another one. A little smallie and then a little walleye. See ya, dude. There we go. Hooked up. What do we got? Yeah, it is a smallie.
No, I don't like it.
Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it. We're gonna move to a new spot. Sat on this for a while and got a couple smallies, a couple walleyes, but we're gonna go search after some bigger fish. We're gonna get the trolling motor up and then buzz to a different part of the lake. Yeah. 3 feet of water. Oh, look at that big old rock.
There you go. What do I got?
Walleye?
Good one?
Decent one. Dang, that's so sick. Pulled up to this random spot.
Yeah, good one.
Oh.
More size than that.
Pulled up to the random spot just off this main lake point and caught a walleye, so that seems to be a good sign. That is another eater. I should probably get some pliers. Why? Why can't you just like behave? There we go. That is the third keeper. We can keep one more because it's 2 per day per person. So this guy's going in the live well and we're gonna keep on fishing.
Go join your friends. No way.
First cast off this point, decent, but he's way out there. Come on, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Oh, he's digging. Nice, nice smelling. There we go. That's a pretty good one. Working this shoreline, just looking for little rock points, basically. Hey, stop it. First cast up there, probably 8 feet of water. This guy smoked a little lipless.
Thank you, buddy. We'll see you later. There you go.
Ooh, nice walleye.
I just don't want to snap it. That is a good walleye.
That's a good one.
Yeah, that's it. Alright. That's a nice walleye right there. Smoked that crankbait. May or may not keep this guy. We got one more fish we can keep. Yeah, we'll put him back. Good fish though.
Here we go. Let's see if this guy's ready to go. Right here. Oh, yeah, he's ready. Sweet.
Alright, well we just fished this entire cove here. Caught those 2 walleye and then we had that 1 smallmouth. Nothing too crazy, definitely some potential for fishing here, but we're gonna make a run to the south side of the lake here. Hopefully find some bigger fish here. So let's do it. Oh, what is this? What did I get? I think I got a muskie. Yeah, I got a muskie. It's gotta be. Dude, this thing is huge. It is like a concrete block on the end of my line. I can't even. Oh yeah, it's a muskie.
Yeah, it is. Okay. Do you want me to chase it with the motor? I just have the motor. Probably gonna have to grab
I don't know. This thing is ginormous. Holy. Bro, it's not moving. It's just staying down.
Yeah. You think it's a 50?
Look at him.
Oh
Look at him. Look at him. Look at him.
Goodness, that thing is huge. Yeah, just take your time.
Holy crap, dude.
It's 50. It has to be. Oh my god.
No. Oh my gosh.
It's not ready to be grabbed.
Careful. Oh my gosh, dude. What a fish.
Look at this thing.
What a fish. I don't even know what to say right now. That thing is a behemoth. We're going to get some pictures. All right, we'll get back.
Just a giant.
Here, get one of me. All right, we're gonna get this guy back in the water quick, but what a tank. This is definitely the longest muskie I've ever had, but the weight. This thing is a brute. Absolute brute. Got some good pictures with her. I'm gonna let her go. What a fish.
Hold it up.
Oh. I can't even hold it up anymore. It's so heavy. Whew. Look at that fish. We'll make sure to take a good extra minute, revive this fish.
Yeah, she's gonna be nice and healthy. No scars or anything really.
Such a beautiful muskie.
Oh yeah, she's starting to get her strength back. Oh yeah, she's getting ready. Oh, okay. Okay, not yet though. Okay.
Here she goes. Wow.